welcome to Mondays with Melissa. I'm Melissa Brett, co-owner of Weldon Hardware, your hometown hardware store. A very common plumbing issue we get almost daily asked from our customers is that their toilet is periodically running. This is an easy repair for most toilet brands, and I want to show you how to do it. So the parts inside a toilet can wear out over time, leading to leaks, constantly running water, and a faulty flush mechanism. Hard water and high levels of minerals can deteriorate these inner parts prematurely. One such part that can create problems is the toilet flapper. The toilet flapper is essentially the disc, ball, or rubber seal that closes the opening in the base of the toilet tank to prevent water from flowing into the toilet bowl. It's usually in the center of the toilet tank. When the toilet is flushed, the toilet flapper is lifted up, allowing the water from the tank to rush into the toilet bowl. However, if the toilet flapper is cracked, misshapen, or broken, it will not close properly, causing water to seep back into the toilet bowl. So as water drains out of the tank, water level decreases, triggering the fill valve to begin filling the tank again. If the flapper is not repaired or replaced, then the toilet will continue to run intermittently, increasing the cost of your water bill as water flows into the toilet drain. Replacing your flapper is not difficult. Before you begin, you have to know what type of flapper you need. Unfortunately, with most plumbing projects, there isn't just one product that fits all toilets. We always recommend either bringing us your old flapper or take some really good photos to show us. As you can see here, we carry over a dozen different flappers. Before you begin, you need to turn off the water to the toilet. The shutoff valve is typically below and behind the toilet. If it does not shut off, you may need to turn off the water to the entire house. Now you can drain the toilet tank by flushing 1 or 2 times to get the tank as empty as possible. There may be a little residual water at the very bottom. That's okay. Next, you disconnect the flapper chain from the handle lever. Then you can remove the old flapper from the toilet. The flapper either slides around the overflow tube or clips on either side. Now there are a few other unique connection options for less common toilets. Once the old flapper is off, scrub around the porcelain hole to ensure there's no lime or calcium buildup to ensure the new flapper seals tightly. You can now install the new flapper and attach the new chain to the flush lever handle. After replacing the toilet flapper, check to make sure the chain is the right length. It should sit at a relaxed length with a small amount of slack when the flapper is closed. If the chain is too tight, the flapper may not be able to close completely. Similarly, if the chain is too long, it could get caught under the flapper, preventing it from closing. Turn the water back onto the toilet and allow the tank to fill. If the repair was completed successfully, the toilet should stop running when the toilet tank is full. Flush the toilet once to make sure the flapper opens and closes properly. Then wait for the tank to refill once more to ensure the issue is resolved. It's really that simple. If you need guidance at choosing the right flapper or to walk you through the process for your particular toilet, please don't hesitate to ask us. We'll gladly help you figure out everything you need. Now remember to show us the actual flapper or take a lot of good photos before coming in. Thank you for watching this week's edition of Mondays with Melissa, and I can't wait to share more of us at Weldon Hardware with you at home.